Hey there, thanks for watching my channel. My name's Carrie, and my goal is to inspire you to get outdoors and enjoy life. So come on, come join me in my next adventure. Mainland Nova Scotia's North River Waterfall is located in Five Islands, Nova Scotia, and is almost a 2-hour drive from Halifax. You can get directions to North River Waterfall by entering this GPS location in Google Maps. All directions can be found in the description of this video below. When driving from Halifax, take the Nova Scotia 102 towards Truro. Use the left lane to take exit 15 west to Trans-Canada Highway, towards Amherst. Then take exit 10. Turn left onto Station Road, and at the end of this road, turn right onto Nova Scotia Trunk to north. Drive for approximately 41 kilometers and turn right onto Little York Road. You will drive approximately 2.5 kilometers until you reach these GPS coordinates. You will see an old logging road on your left with some flagging tape and a house just up the hill. Park here. The hike to North River Waterfall is about 2.4 kilometers, and I would rate it intermediate. It starts out with a beautiful trail on an old road. Follow this trail down the hill. Note there's a grade the entire way down. Although you don't notice it as you hike to the falls, you will notice it on the hike out. After walking for about 900 meters, you will come to a break in the road. There's a small wooden log bridge on the right that you can cross with some ropes to help you. After you cross the river, keep walking. The trail will turn to the left. This trail eventually leads you to the ropes that will take you to the base of the falls. You can see the falls from the top of the ropes, and they are impressive. These ropes are exposed to the elements, so use caution. Make sure they are safe and not weather-worn.
Wow.
Once you get to the bottom, you'll be impressed with a 60-plus foot gorgeous waterfall with a lovely pool at its bottom. After exploring the waterfall, you can hike to its top by going back up the ropes. At the top of the ropes, you'll see a little trail to your left. Turn here. This trail continues up to the top of the falls. It is a lovely little hike that takes you to the river above. There are also more waterfalls further back. If you hike to the right of the main falls, you will come across 2 small waterfalls, one of which has a nice pool in front of it. Lastly, if you hike back further, there's another 10-foot waterfall, also with a pool at its base, which would be lovely in the summer. Hey there, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe down below, and leave in the comments any future places that you'd like for me to visit. Thanks so much, and have a great day.